Today I want to show you a new product coming out. It's the soft leather dopp kit that's designed so that we can have a little more flexibility in what we're packing and when. One of the things that's cool about it is this diagonal zipper that allows for it to open really big. The other thing that's cool is how much you can pack in this or how little. You've got your deodorant, your toothpaste, your toothbrush. What's nice about this is you can hold that. Look how skinny and flat this is. If I had packed those three things in here, it's just going to take up a lot more room in whatever I'm carrying it in. So we like the versatility of being able to have it hold flat. So now you're asking me, but can this hold everything? Let's find out. Still pretty slim, even compared to this, right? All that stuff, this is for my overnighter, this is for my hot date, this is for spring break. This slides right into my backpack or my suitcase, whatever the case may be. So that's the soft leather dopp kit from Rustico. Thanks for watching.